Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play horror games at home. To begin, select a horror game that truly excites you and confirm your system can run it smoothly. Next, prepare your gaming space. Make sure it is comfortable and quiet, free from any potential interruptions. Playing in a dimly lit or completely dark room significantly boosts visual immersion, making the experience much more intense. Finally, a good quality headset is essential for fully appreciating the intricate sound design, which is about 50% of the horror experience. To truly maximize the fear, eliminate all external light sources, plunging your room into complete darkness. This isolation is key. Turn off your phone and close any other applications running on your computer or console. You want zero distractions. Adjust the in-game brightness settings to a lower level, making those dark corners genuinely terrifying and difficult to see through. For the ultimate experience, try playing alone. This amplifies the sense of vulnerability and suspense, making every creak and shadow more impactful. Managing your mindset is crucial for an enjoyable horror experience. Remember to take short breaks, perhaps every 45 to 60 minutes, to decompress and give your nerves a rest. Always remind yourself that the scares are not real and you are perfectly safe in your home. Having a comfort item, like a soft blanket or a friendly pet, can provide a sense of reassurance. Also, keep yourself hydrated and have a small, easy-to-reach snack nearby to maintain your energy and focus throughout the game. Once you have finished playing, it is important to wind down properly. Engage in a calming activity, like reading a book or listening to some soothing music, to help your mind relax. Talking about your experience with friends or online communities can be a great way to process the intense moments and share your thoughts. Watching a lighthearted show or listening to uplifting music can also help shift your mood. Finally, take a moment to reflect on the game's storytelling and design, appreciating the artistry behind the scares.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.